That we already knew.
Right.
Strong little girl.
She's going to have a collection of badges, too. She's going to need a bigger shirt.
I think you're right.
For all those. She looks great.
She does. Let's check in with Cheetah right now. You are waiting on some storms for this afternoon.
I know. Tell me about it. And you know, yesterday we really got some nice thunderstorms yesterday afternoon that were not expected, but we're waiting once again. So this morning I wanted to start off as far as our rain chances go. After 10 o'clock, really through your afternoon hours, that's what I'm expecting the thunderstorms to continue to move through. And then overnight tonight, it will be like what we're waking up to. Maybe some light showers, a little mist, some fog, not out of the question. That's after the warm front pushes through. And then these rain chances just continue here for much of the work week. As far as the thunderstorm activity, a few of the storms could be on the strong side. And some of the thunderstorms are going to be very capable of producing some pea-sized hail. A lot of lightning involved. You're going to hear these big claps of thunder. Two different air masses working together. And that's what gives us the big uplift. That what gives us the big energy. So this time of the year, anytime we're trying to transition from the hot to cold, the atmosphere just doesn't know how to balance that energy. And that's why we get those thunderstorms like what we saw yesterday. Now today, this morning, we're starting off, again, mostly dry under thick cloudy skies. Cloud deck is thick this morning. Richmond Rosenberg still watching that shower here along portions of 59 southwestbound. But otherwise this morning, you're starting off mostly dry. Let me show you the big picture. So this upper level disturbance moved through yesterday. I was expecting that to stay offshore in the Gulf, and it did not. It gave us a nice dose of rain yesterday afternoon. So I know that was probably annoying if you're out and about yesterday. Today, we're going to see almost the same thing throughout the day today. This moisture just does not want to budge. Watch this here. And this is, again, all associated with Gulf moisture. Tomorrow morning, we will push repeat with what we're seeing today. Light activity, but still, I can't count on any clearing. All week long, we just stay under cloudy skies and the chance for some of these showers. So you really can't put the umbrella away at this point. Temperatures are going to be like this just a little bit for much of the week, but this is what I want you to take note of. Right when we build our temperatures into the 70s, mid to upper 70s even by Friday and Saturday, we have a very powerful cold front moving in overnight into Sunday morning. I'm talking very strong, and some showers associated with it, but look at these temperatures. It's going to bring some cold Arctic air. Steph, by next week, we could be back into the 30s and 40s. So prepare, but for today, prepare with the umbrella.
Noted. All right, Cheetah, thanks. So overall, a mellow morning out there on our freeways, but Cheetah was mentioning the sprinkles there, 59, 69 in Rosenberg and Greatwood. I want to head down to the scene so you can